Good evening, guys. Today we'll be talking about diesel locomotives. Diesel locomotives are replacements for steam engines that have happened in 1960, but steam engines are banned in 1960. So let's talk about some diesel locomotives that I know. Most likely, let's use trains from shows. Let's talk about one train that I know, Boko, a class diesel that has lots of more functions. That diesel has since been scrapped. See, so let's talk about tank engines. For example, see Thomas. So let's talk about build dates. So let's talk about when Boko was built or the Boko class. Let's think about it. Like 1910, 1910, and let's go. No, 1953, and let's say they are scrapped in 1960. That's when diesel steam trains are banned. So since steam trains are very difficult to program, you need a driver and fireman. And you need to fuel them by using coal and fire. But my brother's gonna talk about that, but hopefully he knows all the engine classes, like the E2 tank engine, diesel type classes, and how they were replaced. Hopefully he knows. Hopefully he does. He doesn't believe that diesel trains never replaced trains, because they actually did. So let's talk about Boko class. So the Boko class had lots of problems, to be exact. Engines failing, engines firing. So that's all the problems. So see, they were scrapped. See, railway can be scrapped. Steam engines, diesel engines, even cars. Stock. See, diesel locomotives replace tank engines. See, diesel's class. You know the diesel class trains. So these are normal diesels that are shunters. See, before they had shunters, they had E2 tank engines. Southwick is not familiar with how they look, so that's why I'm talking about them now. So see, the tank engines and diesel engines are practically the same, but they have different things. See, diesel is used by fuel, and trains are used by coal and fire. Trains are especially difficult to use. But diesels, you just need to start the engine and then you can continue. Well, so that's it of diesel locomotives. I don't know how long this was.